All right, welcome to week 1, day 2. Welcome back. Our first exercise, we have the bent over row. I'm going to use my light weights because we have 2 exercises. So keep your feet shoulder length apart. You're going to bend over like this, keep your back straight, and then pull up like that. If you want to use medium weights, you can. And then we're going to go to tricep kickback, which again, same position. You're just going to bring your weights in like this, bring them up, and straighten out, just like that. And then down on the ground for flutter kicks. So you lay on your back and put your hands under your butt, and then kick your feet, never touching the ground. All right, pick up your weights. Let's get started. All right, bent over row in 3, 2, 1. You want to make sure that you have a flat back when you're doing this, and then bring them up forward like that. You want to lift with your arms and not your shoulders. Don't scrunch. All right, then switching to tricep kickback in 3, 2, 1. We don't want to swing, we just want to bring our weights forward and back in one motion. And then keep your elbows tucked in. All right, switching to flutter kicks in 3, 2, 1. You can flex your feet if you want. Really draw in your stomach, flex your core. If it gets too hard, you can always hold this position instead of a flutter kick. All right, up in 3, 2, 1. Bent over row. Pick up your weights with your legs. When we pick up our weights, make sure that you are not picking up with your back, but picking up with your legs. All right, tricep kickback in 3, 2, 1. All right, you should start to feel the burn if you have the appropriate amount of weights. If you need to go to a lighter weight, don't be afraid to do that. Make sure we are keeping with our form. Keep those elbows tucked in. All right, down to the ground for flutter kicks in 3, 2, 1. Remember, quick transition, but do it safely. All right, up to bent over row in 3, 2, 1. All right, last round. Keep that back straight. Always keep a little bend in your knees. All right, tricep kickback in 3, 2, 1. Ten seconds. All right, switching in 3, 2, 1. Flutter kicks. Last exercise. Keep going. Keep that core tight. All right, you're done in 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, I'll see you for day 3.